Yeah, so a friend of mine asked me if he could use my space here in Marietta at the Artisan Resource Center to hold the casting for his short film. He's friends with a casting director who wanted to use it, so I said, sure. Place is usually empty. This is the first time I could ever remember where there's not one spot in the parking lot, and we haven't even begun yet, so I'm curious as to where everybody's gonna park. So if you're coming to this casting, in this wonderful short film that I heard about, this is what you'll experience. You'll have to find a spot either here or around the building on the other side, but you'll come in this entrance right here. This will be your day if you're an actor. You'll come into this building and you'll look for suite A1 where the casting is, and we're gonna go in here. And ooh, let's adjust the lighting, and here's the lighting. I have a fan at the end of the hallway because we're gonna have seats for the actors right in here. I'll probably put a few more out there. This is where they'll wait and they'll prep. Oh, by the way, that's where we're gonna go in a second. If you need the bathroom and the water fountain, there's the ladies' room. There's the horrifying men's room. Let's go back. So if you're an actor, you're gonna come in. There'll probably be a sign-in sheet out here. I'm assuming the casting director is gonna bring that. And you'll come in. Maybe this light will be on too. Ooh, light's on. This is my space. Actors teaching actors, Pralgo's acting class, the Artisan Resource Center. So we got the AC on. I think maybe we'll have a couple of lights. This is where the actors will come in. I'll have this China ball on. I'll have this spotlight on, courtesy of Kurt Yu. This will probably be our mark right here. We'll have a reader right next to the camera. Casting director will be in here as well, giving adjustments, hopefully, and handling it professionally. This will be nice. So this is the space. Normally I do my taping back there, but it's gonna be right in here today. Hopefully the sound of the AC won't be too much of a problem. We've tested it, and we're not turning it off because it's hot as hell here in Atlanta. Let's see what we got back here. This will be the nice couch. I do have coffee being made. My classic shitty free coffee for everybody. Ooh, instant human, just add coffee. Truer words have never been spoken. Excellent. Well, this is what we're gonna experience today. We're gonna have actors coming in, reading for the lead of a short film. I hope everybody seeing this gets opportunities to audition in person. I think it's important to test your mettle as an actor, to not just self-tape, to be prepared and to put it in front of somebody and be able to do your best work under these circumstances. Work the craft. See you guys soon. Bye.